Hey guys, welcome to my channel and here we get the new preview update in Windows 11 for version 25H2 and 24H2. Okay, to update it, first click on start. Okay, now in start, go to settings. In settings, go to Windows Update. And here you can see 2026-06 preview update KB509509 is available to download and install. Here you can see. And to know more about this update, click on Get Help. And here in search bar, type 2026-06 preview update. And click enter. So you can see June 23, 2026 KB509509 preview update. Click on it. Maximize the window. So you can see the release date is 23/6/2026 and here we get the version, and you can see this cumulative update for Windows 11 version 25H2 and 24H2 includes production quality improvements, and you can see announcement and messages, and here we get the highlights. So just go there and see the known issue. As you can see, known issues in this update: Microsoft Office application might fail to open from certain third-party apps, and you can see how to get this update, and here install this update. So guys, you can read the information over there. So just go to the Windows Update and download and install 2026-06 preview update on your Windows 11 laptop and desktop as soon as possible. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.